Seasonal sporting gear can be stored out of the way and protected with compact fold-away Murphy-style solutions designed for small homes. Start by planning a dedicated wall or niche that clears circulation paths and targets unused vertical space. For boards, use wall panels with fold-down brackets that lock flat against the wall when not in use. Measure board length and add 2 inches on each end for safe mounting and breathing room. For skis, use simple manual ceiling hoists with reinforced straps that lift skis parallel to the ceiling to free floor space. Route the pulley directly above a clear span and use line locks rated above the expected total load. Vertical narrow lockers sized for poles and boots keep wet items contained and ventilated, fit perforated back panels and a drip tray to protect interior surfaces. Pivoting wall racks hinge inward and sit nearly flush once collapsed, so mount their pivot plates into studs or molly anchors for solid load transfer. If you need protected transport storage for delicate boards, try custom hanging harnesses with padded covers that secure with 2 points and include a breathable fabric sleeve to prevent trapped moisture. Always confirm fastener type and wall backing for the chosen weight, and test each mechanism several times empty and then with the actual gear before relying on it. 3 common mistakes are overestimating wall strength, ignoring moisture and ventilation, and using a single point support for long boards. When walls are weak, people fail to anchor into studs or choose improper anchors, so locate framing and use long lag screws or toggle bolts rated for dynamic loads. Moisture buildup causes mold and material damage, so add ventilation, a perforated back panel, and removable drip trays or desiccant packets to absorb excess humidity. Single point supports let long items sag or flex. Instead, use 2 support points spaced to match the gear geometry and add padded contact surfaces to distribute pressure and avoid point damage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists practical project types, so we can find help for installing fold-away gear systems. We also provide a discussion community where we share installation tips and photos, making it easier for us and contractors to match expectations and coordinate work.